Welcome to my channel Improve English with Hina Memon. Family Conversation. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name? What's your name? Hi, my name's Lily. Hi, my name's Lily. How old are you? How old are you? I am 16 years old. I am 16 years old. How many family members do you have? How many family members do you have? We are a family of seven. We are a family of seven. How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have two sisters and one brother. I have two sisters and one brother. Do you have younger or older brothers or sisters? Do you have younger or older brothers or sisters? I have one older sister, one younger sister, and one younger brother. I have one older sister, one younger sister, and one older brother. Who is the oldest person in your family? Who is the oldest person in your family? My grandmother is the oldest person in our family. My grandmother is the oldest person in our family. Who is the funniest person in your family? Who is the funniest person in your family? Definitely my younger sister. Definitely my younger sister. She always has everyone in stitches with her humor. She always has everyone in stitches with her humor. Are you close with your extended family? Are you close with your extended family? Yes, we have a tight knit extended family and we see each other often. Yes, we have a tight knit extended family and we see each other often. Who's the chef in the family? Who's the chef in the family? Mom usually takes charge in the kitchen, but we all have our specialties. Mom usually takes charge in the kitchen, but we all have our specialties. Do you have any family traditions during the week? Do you have any family traditions during the week? Movie night every Saturday is our go-to family tradition. Movie night every Saturday is our go-to family tradition. How often do you have family game nights? How often do you have family game nights? We try to have a family game night at least once a month. It gets pretty competitive. We try to have a family game night at least once a month. It gets pretty competitive. What's the most recent family milestone or achievement? What's the most recent family milestone or achievement? My sister just graduated and we had a small celebration for her. My sister just graduated and we had a small celebration for her. What do you like the most about your family? What do you like the most about your family? I love the unwavering support and the strong sense of unity in our family. I love the unwavering support and the strong sense of unity in our family. We are there for each other through thick and thin, and that means the world to me. We are there for each other through thick and thin, and that means the world to me. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.